looks so good. And I made sure they was ready. Look at that. Let me dip it. Ooh. What I was doing. Yeah. Whoever make this, they need that coochie egg. Not by me, but
Today I got leftover seafood, lobster tail, limon. Cheers. Lobster tail is literally still juicy 3 days later. Cheers. Wow. Mussel, limon, crab. Look at this baby mussel. Crab, crab legs, some head-on shrimp, crab legs. Wow. Limon. I forgot I had an egg left. Crab and egg. So y'all, why did I make a post on Facebook, like an in general post? And I was basically saying that people in life never learn until life happens to them. Be careful because God can make an example out of you. And this random ass woman commented under my post and was like, I know you're not justifying the killing of an innocent man, Charlie Kirk. And the first thing I'm thinking is, who the fuck is that? Respectfully, I'm like, who is that? And mind you, I don't really check my comments on FB because they tend to be very negative. So like I'm going through the thread. Mind you, this is hours after I posted because I just posted and went about my day. She literally started the entire thread of people thinking that I was justifying the killing of him. And I'm like, I had to make a whole new post. Like, respectfully, y'all, not everybody knew who Charlie Kirk was because my post had nothing to do with him. Thankfully, there were people in the comments, like, when I read this post, he didn't even come to mind. Like, everything's not politics and everybody doesn't think about politics. I'm like, thank you, because what the fuck? But, that low-key, like, really irritated me because what the fuck are you even talking about? Nobody's talking about him. Like, what? Anyways, this is my last bite. Cheers.
We got a homemade seafood bowl. Look at these lobster claws. Look at that. First bite for you. I forgot my lemon. Lemon. Look at this lobster claw. Lemon. Crab. Potato. Shrimp. Excuse me. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, 9 times out of 10, the imitation crab tastes better than the real crab. Look at that. Sausage. Egg. Yeah. 3 hours later. Look at that muscle, y'all. So I hate when it say it's gonna rain and it doesn't fucking rain. Where's the rain? I'm no longer excited for school. I just like, why was I excited? I don't know. Look at all of that. The potatoes are so good. Y'all, them shrimps must have had diarrhea before they got caught, because But y'all, it's my last bite. Well, let me redo that. It's my last bite. Well, let me find out again, too. It's my last bite.